Building bridges: how local businesses shape Arlington, Texas communities. Discover how local businesses in Arlington, Texas contribute to the community's growth, development, and overall well-being. Local businesses in Arlington provide employment opportunities, reducing unemployment rates and improving the local economy. Unlike big box stores, local businesses in Arlington have a distinct personality and reflect the local culture and preferences. Local businesses actively contribute to community initiatives and philanthropy, fostering unity and cooperation among residents. Local businesses in Arlington collaborate with one another, pooling resources and creating innovative solutions to common challenges. Local businesses in Arlington source products locally, reducing the carbon footprint, and prioritize sustainability practices. Interactions at local businesses involve personal connections, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere for residents. Local businesses are the lifeblood of Arlington's community, contributing to its economic growth, unique character, and sense of connection among residents. Supporting them is an investment in the well-being and future